You want Apple's iOS 27 now with a new improved Siri? I like you, you're adventurous. iOS 27 looks like it's going to change the iPhone forever with a smarter Siri that can do more thanks to its Google Brain. Apple promises you can ask Siri things, and get this, Siri will be able to answer it intelligently. Did you see that spatial reframing feature? That's the one where you can take a regular 2D photo and adjust the angle in 3D space. That is exciting. So if you want to try it out, it should be easy, right? Here's how it should go. Open up an installer app and tap the icon under the text, Install iOS 27 Beta. Wait, and then enjoy iOS 27. And if you don't like iOS 27 Beta, open up the installer again, tap the icon below Uninstall iOS 27 Beta, wait a little bit, and you're back to good old iOS 26, right? No, not at all. Wrong! That's not how any of this works. If you want the developer beta, you need to know a few things first. Your phone may not work like you're used to. Developer betas are for developers. They use iOS 27 beta to test out their apps and add new functionality enabled by the new OS. Things may be buggy, but devs understand the deal. If there's a problem, no worries. The phone is used for development. It's not their everyday phone, right? And please, please, please keep this in mind. For whatever reason, Apple iOS betas cannot be uninstalled. Again, betas cannot be uninstalled. If you're still not deterred, here's how to get iOS 27 beta on your device. Do this at your own risk. I'm just an educator. Step 0. Check if your phone is compatible with iOS 27. If you've got an iPhone 11 or later, you're good to go. If you're rocking an iPhone 8 Plus, I'm sorry. If you have a spare compatible iPhone, maybe install the beta there because betas are not final software. They may misbehave. Step 1. Back up your iPhone. Apple suggests archiving using Finder on macOS, or you can back up to iCloud. On your iPhone, go to your account, tap iCloud, then turn on iCloud Backup, then Backup. Backup. This is important, so I'm gonna say it again. Back up your phone. Why? Because to get your phone back to iOS 26, you will need to factory reset your phone. Then you can restore your backup and your phone is back to normal. If you don't have a backup, you'll have to start over from scratch. Okay, once that backup is done, and only after it is done, you'll need to sign up for a developer's account. There's a free tier that lets devs load apps on their own personal iPhones, so pick that one. Enroll your device into the beta program. Then, on your iPhone, go to Settings, General, Software Updates, Beta Updates, looky looky, iOS 27 Beta. Install away. Now you can try out iOS 27 and it may not work the way you wanted to, but that's okay because you have a backup, right? Great. I'm Iyaz Akhtar, and if you want to know everything iOS 27 can do, check out PCMag.com. I really want to try out Describe a Shortcut feature because that seems really cool. What do you want to try out? Let me know in the comments because I read all of them.